In the metaphysics of identity, the ship of Theseus is a thought experiment that raises the question of whether an object that has had all of its components replaced remains fundamentally the same object. The concept is one of the oldest in Western philosophy, having been discussed by the likes of Heraclitus and Plato by c. 500–400 BCE. The thought puzzle was discussed by ancient philosophers such as Heraclitus and Plato, later by Plutarch, and more recently by Thomas Hobbes and John Locke. Several variants are known, including the grandfather's axe, which has had both head and handle replaced. This is itself an example of ship of Theseus, as the original story has had various elements replaced over time. The particular ship of Theseus version of the thought puzzle was first introduced in Greek legend as reported by the historian, biographer, and essayist Plutarch. Plutarch thus questions whether the ship would remain the same if it were entirely replaced, piece by piece. Centuries later, the philosopher Thomas Hobbes introduced a further puzzle, wondering what would happen if the original planks were gathered up after they were replaced and then used to build a second ship. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.